Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. With its glorious natural scenery, excellent climate, welcoming culture, and excellent standards of living, Jamaica is quickly gaining a reputation as one of the most desirable places across the world to live or visit. An offer here is a chance to make a smart financial investment in Mammee Bay Estate, Ocho Rios. We present to you Paradise La Horizon, a beautiful villa, a stone throw away from the private beach. Entering the gates of the villa, you see the manicure gardens throughout the property, which is a little over an acre. There are 8 bedrooms, all ensuite, spa bath, shower, and fully air-conditioned rooms. This villa is perfect for all occasions. Enjoy breathtaking views from the private balconies or simply relax in the large private pool with jacuzzi. Other features include a tennis court, solar panels, wind turbine, and solar water heaters, which makes this home energy efficient. There is also a grand staircase leading to the upper floor, a games room, dining room, chef's kitchen, plus much more. The villa is 10 minutes drive from the main town, and the natural treasures such as Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, and Dolphin's Cove. Guys, let's take a look at this villa, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is Euro 3.258 million, US 3.6 million, or Jamaican $544.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.